Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to moisturize your 4C here. So guys, first I have low porosity here, so I have to use warm water to penetrate my hair follicles so that my hair can be moisturized. So you will be seeing, and if you want to know what porosity hair you have, I have low. That means some water pebbles form on top of my hair while when I put water on it. Right now, I'm gonna next use my leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna use my leave-in conditioner also to help my hair growth. So this will help to strengthen my hair, right? So I'm gonna put in my leave-in conditioner right here. And as I was talking to you about the porosity here, you guys, you can check on videos on YouTube where they'll tell you how to know what porosity here you have. So I'm going to put the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, and I'm going to use a generous amount because I want every part of my hair to get some. So when you're doing it, you have to do it like this. This is the way I was able to retain length. And if you haven't seen my previous video on how much my hair has grown, please check it out. It shows you from when I started. I have a clip in there when it started until where I am now, and guys, you'll see the dramatic changes that has been with my hair since I've started on my hair journey. So check that video out for me, guys. And as you can see, I'm done with that. Now I'm going to use my oil to seal in my moisture, and in that oil is aloe vera, coconut oil, olive oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. If you want to see how I made that oil, I will put a link below so you guys can go and check out how I made that oil. But those oils that you see I have in there, they're going to seal in the moisture in my hair so that the moisture can stay in there, because if your hair is not moisturized, guys, that's when your hair will start falling out. So you need to have your hair moisturized, so that means you have to seal in the moisture so that the moisture can stay in there with the oil. And that's what you see that I'm doing right now in my video, just sealing that moisture with my oil. Next, I'm going to use my shea butter to help to seal in that moisture in my hair. So, and shea butter is very good for your hair, guys. It will make your hair strong and help you to retain length. So if that's what you're looking for, please remember to use your shea butter also. And all the oils that I speak about, you can use them. They're all natural products, guys. And the best thing for you to do is use all natural products in your hair, because you do not know what they put in all the different chemicals that you're going to put in your hair. So it's best to go all natural, then you know you will get your hair growth that you need. So here you can see my African shea butter that I'm going to rub in my hair. And guys, this will take a while to like come out of your hair, but don't worry, it is so good for your hair. So you just go ahead and rub it in there. It will strengthen your hair and cause you to retain length. And remember to check out my video on the tips that you can use to grow your 4C natural hair. So I'm just getting that all in all over. Some parts you might see stick a little, but don't worry. You can just use your hand and work that out. I hope when you watch this video, guys, you know how better to care for your hair, because you have to moisturize your hair. If you're wearing braids and you moisturize it, the moisture will keep in there for a long time. But if you wear your hair natural out like that, you will need to moisturize your hair maybe every 2 days or every 3 days. So moisturizing your hair is a big part of your hair care regime. So make sure you have a hair care regime where you know when, like every 2 days, you put certain things in your hair. And the products that you see in here in my video, you can use these to grow your hair. Because guys, this is what I use to grow my hair. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share.